First class completely, officially completed. Now we wait for the final grade. Past 5 weeks have been, I don't know, very interesting to say the least. From meeting deadlines to taking care of the babies to just going with the flow of life has been very, very interesting. And on top of that, picking up a new hobby of gardening and just learning everything about the land. Listen, I'm still sane, y'all. I'm still here in my right mind, still kicking. Woo! That was an adventure. Still is an adventure. But remember what we're doing. In order to complete this race, we gotta keep persevering. I remember as a child playing in the dirt. I used to love playing in the dirt as a child. Now I see why. God works in mysterious ways. Only He knows where you'll end up in life. Now, I'm not an expert at this, but for the first time, I think we did pretty well. From the garden straight to the books. 10 pages, final paper, submitted before the deadline. To God be the glory. Got a different brand of lettuce here. Just gonna put that like so, like that, and cover it like so, like that. Make another hole. This dirt is very dry, so we're gonna have to water this again once they're all in the ground. Something about nature and gardening is so therapeutic, like you don't even understand. From the sounds of the birds to just nature, man. It's just so therapeutic. These are all the lettuce that I have planted so far. Aren't they so beautiful? Beautiful.